Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna be talking about the difference between Huawei FreeBuds 5 and Huawei FreeBuds 4. We'll be talking about the difference in dimension, weight, sound quality, even the charging as well, and the battery life. So stay tuned, let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about the design, as you can see, Huawei FreeBuds 5 it comes in like long shape, unlike Huawei FreeBuds 4, which it comes in round shape. Plus, also Huawei FreeBuds 5 is more thick, so it's thicker than FreeBuds 4, which is more slim. It's about the lights here, as you can see. So the both FreeBuds 4 and FreeBuds 5 comes with indicator light in the front, and in the bottom same charging port, and the back side FreeBuds 4 comes with Huawei logo. FreeBuds 5 comes with some specs and information. And in the front here, Huawei FreeBuds 5 comes with Huawei logo, but Huawei FreeBuds 4 there is no any logo in the front. And once we open the case here, so as we can see, Huawei FreeBuds 4 it comes totally inside the case, but Huawei FreeBuds 5 it's almost all the buds is out of the case. It's just take this curve on the case itself, but Huawei FreeBuds 4 it goes inside the case totally. And if you talk about each buds itself, so the buds itself, guys, in FreeBuds 5 it looks totally different than FreeBuds 4. But before we talk about this one, what about the cover or the case cover? Actually, in both cases it's very strong. So some FreeBuds cases, once you just turn the case upside down, the cover will close automatically. But with FreeBuds 5 and FreeBuds 4, it's more durable and stable as well. So now we'll be talking about each buds itself. As we can see, it's totally different design. For both of them are open fit, but FreeBuds 5 comes with this curvy design, which I feel, from my opinion, it's more comfort, and it will stay in your ears in very easy way, and it will not fall down even if you will do the like hard workout, jumping or even cycling or whatever of different kind of workout. So the FreeBuds 5 will stay stable in your ears. Plus also it's more short. As we can see, the FreeBuds 4 it comes with 41 mm, so it's very long, but Huawei FreeBuds 5 comes only with 32.4 mm. So for sure, as we can see, the big difference in length or in the height. So it's FreeBuds it's more short, but it has also a very nice mic. So in terms of calls or voice calling, so for sure the FreeBuds 5 also will pick up your voice in HD quality as well as FreeBuds 4. And if we'll talk about the weight here, so we will bring again our scale, and we will check each buds or each FreeBuds with our scale here. So we'll just turn it on. So we'll start first with the FreeBuds 5. We'll keep it here. So the FreeBuds 5 is 56 gram. Okay, so now we'll check FreeBuds 4. So FreeBuds 4 is 46. So for sure the FreeBuds 5 is more heavy comparing to the FreeBuds 4. So what if we will just check the earbuds itself? So the FreeBuds 5, guys, is 6 grams only. Let's see the FreeBuds 4. Wow, so FreeBuds 4 is more light or lighter than FreeBuds 5, which is 4 gram only. So FreeBuds 4 is more light, even the case is more light, more round shape, unlike the FreeBuds 5. Some people still they feel more comfort, or they prefer the new design from Huawei, which is FreeBuds 5. Plus, also the thing here, Huawei just announced that, or they just informed that this curved design, because they just shift all the material or all the units, like the battery and the sensor down here. So you have here the battery and everything. Even me, I tried before this FreeBuds 4. The thing is, here they have just allocate all the material or the unit inside this part. So sometimes you feel some unknown sounds coming out from the FreeBuds, but they fixed this issue with the FreeBuds 5. So they just shift everything down here, so you will have no issue with the sound quality. And if we talk about the difference here, as we know, FreeBuds 5 you can control the volume up and down by swiping from the right here, or same goes with FreeBuds 5 as well. So you can control the volume from swiping up and down. Also by double tap here and double tap here, you can control the music, like next music, previous music. And also you can by hold for 3 seconds, you can activate or deactivate the noise cancellation. Same goes with the FreeBuds 5 as well. If you will long press here, it will activate and deactivate the noise cancellation as well. And if we'll be talking about the battery capacity and the charging speed, so with FreeBuds 5 here, FreeBuds 5, it comes with 505 milliampere for the charging case battery, and for each buds it comes with 42 milliampere here. But FreeBuds 4, it comes with 410 milliampere battery, and each one it comes with 30 milliampere as well. And as we know that both FreeBuds 4 and FreeBuds 5, it support the wireless charging and wired charging as well. And if we talk about the charging speed or the times, so the FreeBuds 5, it will take 40 minutes to get full charge from 0 up to 100% only in 40 minutes with wired charge. And FreeBuds 4, it will take 1 hour to full charge for sure when you have the FreeBuds inside, as goes as with this FreeBuds 5. So in terms of charging speed, so FreeBuds 5 will have 40 minutes, and FreeBuds 4 has 1 hour to get full charge from 0 up to 100%. So what about the battery life, or battery in the music playback? So with the FreeBuds 5, when you use the FreeBuds 5 for music playback, each buds here will last up to 5 hours with noise cancellation off, or else 3.5 hours with noise cancellation on. And here the FreeBuds 4, it will last up to 4 hours with active noise cancellation off, or 2.5 hours with active noise cancellation on. So that's it for our video today, guys. If you have any questions, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.